shadows and the shit that creep up in my coffin. I know what I do, no talking. Can't you see the reaper? He go crazy, he go dumb. I'm gonna let my chopper drown.
Today I will show you how to install Tor browser in Linux Mint 20 or Ubuntu 20.04. First become root apt-get install Torstocks Tor browser launcher. Yes. Now as you can see in the application we have a Tor browser launcher settings. Click on it. Install Tor browser. It will download it. Configure. Select bridge to improve the security. To make your ISP doesn't know that you are using the browser because it may be censored in some nations. Connect. And now you have a Tor browser. It works well. Congratulations, gone all right. Very good. See you later.